Yo guys, welcome back to Pokemon India Official. We are back with another video guys, and it's the first day of Halloween event going on. Guys, you have been noticed like it's just this 5 Pokemon you can see, and nearby you will get a lots of Meowth, you will get a lots of Ghastly, you will get a lots of Haunter, Drowsy, and Cubone, and Marowak, and Gengar too. So let's see what we can get over here guys. So first of all I will go and take all the Pokestops over here, and then we'll catch some great Pokemons or best Cubons, best Gastlies, and best Meowth or something. So just sit back, enjoy, and let's hope so that we can get a wild Gengar or Hypno or Marowak. So let's count them, and let's see what we can get today. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy the video guys. And it's a day 1 for the Halloween event guys. And guys, there is one more thing. As I told you, we'll get 4 candies in the with the walk of buddies. So it's not like that, it's like same like that only, but it's you have to see this. So now the 3 kilometer buddy has been came to 0.75, means the 3 kilometers has been divided by 4, so it will be giving you 0.75. so it's same for the 1 kilometer will be 0.25, and for the 5 kilometer you have to walk for just 1.25 kilometers. So like that. Oh shit, there is a Haunter nearby guys, and it's a great start today, and there are one lure going on. So it's a great start. Let's see how much CP this Haunter is. So let's see what we can get. It's like 454 only. So let me catch this Haunter guys. And guys, it's true, I have like walked around 198 kilometers with my Charmander to get a Charizard, and now it's done. I have 125 candies, and let me show you my Charmander, Ghastly. Oh, there is a Gengar and Marowak nearby guys. So let me search them where they are, and let's go with them guys. So just sit back and just see what we can get over here. So that's it guys for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and if you saw guys, the counter says there are like I got 5 Marowaks and 5 Marowaks and like 2 Gengars, from which 1 ran away and 1 Hypno, and still it's saying Haunter and Ghastly and Gengar was nearby. So that's it guys for today's video. The day 1, it was like full of fun. It was like all over the places. There were like Ghastly and Haunter and Gengar. And if you want something, you can just comment down below in the comment section guys, and just let me know. And there is like 1 more Ghastly, and guys, I was not catching all the Ghastly because I need a 500 plus Ghastly, and so there are like 1 more Ghastly. So that's why I was not catching the Ghastly, but I was like just watching the CP of them, and then I was like leaving, and one of my 500 Ghastly just ran off. So guys, that's it guys for today's video. Tomorrow I will go some other place for sure to play this or to see what we can get over there. And guys, you know the candy system, it will be like divided by 4 and you will get 4 candies when you will walk for 3 kilometers or 5 kilometers. So if you like this day 1 of the event, just hit that like button, and if you are new, you can just click the subscribe button guys. And I will be doing day 2, I will be doing of every day. So guys, that's it for today's video. Just like, subscribe, and peace. See ya.